Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the words much and many. You ever become confused and not sure if you should use the words much or use the word many? Well, today's class, you're going to learn how to become a master in it. So let's learn some more and let's get started. How to use much versus many. In this lesson, we are going to discuss countable versus uncountable nouns, how to use many, how to use much, and a fun review quiz. You know I always add those, but my quizzes are more fun than quizzes, right? So as you remember from our other lessons, countable nouns refer to things that can be counted. They have singular and plural forms. For example, 1 apple, 4 apples. Okay, these are countable. You can count them. What countable nouns can you think of? For example, books. You can count the books. You can count the dogs. How many dogs are in this photo? There are 4 dogs because you can count them. Remember, countable nouns are nouns that you can count. Bananas. You can count. There's 3 bananas here. Students. How many students? 4 students. Pencils. How many pencils are there? There are 6. How many do you see? Now, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns refer to things that can't or cannot be counted. For example, paint, bread. You know you can't count bread, but you can count the bread slices. Now, what's another word for bread? Loaf of bread. So which one is the countable noun and which one's not the countable noun? The loaf of bread is uncountable or it cannot be counted. Slices of bread are countable nouns. Water, you can't count water, but you can count bodies of water. Rice, you don't want to be counting all that rice, do you? So it's uncountable. Money, it's a lot of money. Well, we can count money, but when we say money, that is much money. You wouldn't say many money. See, you're starting to learn a little bit more. Now, how to use much versus many. We use many with countable nouns in questions and in negative sentences. So look to your left on the question. How many apples do you have? You see, we're using many. Now remember, these are countable. Negative sentences to the right, there aren't many apples, okay? Much, we use much with uncountable nouns. Now remember, uncountable means not, you cannot count it. Now look to your left on the question. How much money do you have? Look to your right on the negative sentence example. I don't have much money. Quiz time, but we're having some fun today. Remember. Now, you're going to choose many or much. For example, there are many pencils on the desk, or there are much pencils on the desk. Many. Did you get it? Now, is that countable or uncountable? Can you count the pencils? Yes. So we use many. How many juice did you buy? Or how much juice did you buy? How much juice did you buy? So remember, juice is uncountable or not countable. It's a noun. Remember, noun is a person, place, or thing. And this is juice, so that's a thing. How blank hamburgers can you eat? Is it how many or how much? How many? Do you remember if that's countable or uncountable? It's countable. That means you can count it. How many hamburgers can you eat? 1, 2, 3, or 10? I have blank friends. I have many friends or I have much friends. I have many friends. We can count them, so we use many. I didn't drink many water yesterday. I didn't drink much water yesterday. I didn't drink much water yesterday. Did you get it? It's getting easier, isn't it? That's it. Good job. Was that too easy for you, or was that just right? Well, thank you for joining me today. I had a wonderful time with you. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.